phone. This activity is special. Why? Because we're gonna do 2 activities at a time. First, we're gonna learn how to make a clear sticker. Second, we're gonna learn how to make a bookmark. So to make a clear sticker, you need duct tape, a bottle of water, scissors, any picture you like. For me, I choose Cookie from PT21, and bowl. To make a bookmark, you need any paper, any pen, and a rule. Now we're gonna start learning how to make a clear sticker. We're going to start with the duct tape and the picture. Now I'm going to tape the picture and cut the rest of the tape. Just like this. And then we're gonna cut the whole picture. Now I'm bringing the bowl and the bottle of water. I'm gonna pour water inside the bowl and then put the picture inside the bowl. Like this. And now I'm gonna let it dry, and after 5 minutes it looks just like this. Now we're going to test it on a paper, and it sticks perfectly. Just like this. Making the bookmark. First with the paper. First, I'm going to start by folding the paper 2 times. One like this. And the second time is like this. Now I'm going to cut it. Just like this. 4 pieces means we can make 4 bookmarks out of 1 paper. Now to complete, we're going to make it like this. the rest of the paper. Done. Now I'm going to open it, fold it like this, open it again, fold it again like this, after folding it, we're going to open it, have a line like this, and like this. And then we're going to make it like this. Make sure it's in the center. Like this. Then we're gonna cut these two pieces. One, two, just like this. just like this, and then we're gonna fold it again like this. Fold it like this. Open it. Make sure to put this piece inside. You don't want to open it. You don't want it open. Done. Done with the 4. And now you can bring any pen and design it as you want. Just like this. And now if you want to put all the 4 together, and done. And this is how to make a bookmark. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the bookmark, and this is the stick. And that's all for today's video. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment done when you're done. Bye!